So how do you mark text messages as unread on the Android? Let me explain it and talk about it. If it's your first time in here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So it depends on which messages app you are using. For example, I like to use the Google Messages, which looks like this. And in here, I have a couple of chats and conversation which I went through, and what you can do in here is hold down on it until it gets selected. So you can see that we can select even multiple of them, but let's say I only want this to be applied to this conversation. And now that I have it selected, I can click the three dots in at the top right and click on mark as unread. So as you can see, it had the normal text font before, but now it's bold and it's prominent. It's telling me that it is something new. It has the dot in there, and you can click it to kind of open the message once again. So that's how you can mark messages as unread on the Android. This applies to the Google Messages, of course, but you might have something different. For example, the Samsung Messages. So if I switch to this one for example, you're going to notice that it's likely going to be very similar. So as well, if I hold down on something, you can click on three dots and perhaps select it to do something else, right? Depends, in here, it seems like the option isn't available right away, but you will probably be able to find it somewhere. And the point is that if you cannot find it in your Messages app, you can always switch to a different one where you can have the ability to mark it as unread. So I hope it helps. That's what I wanted to explain, and let me know your thoughts and opinions below, and I'll see you later.